that? Mi nombre es Deiker.
Y soy de Venezuela.
So,
I'm a native Spanish speaker.
and I'm just a normal guy who loves study, reading, play music, and of course teaching Spanish. Have you ever heard the saying, who teaches, learn twice? Well, I really believe in that. Look, I know how you feel. Learning a new language could be a challenge. Learning Spanish because of its grammar and a different accent. Also, there are too many teachers to choose from and a lot of content on internet. So you are probably wondering, where do you start? I have good news for you. I would love to help you to learn Spanish, and I know how to do it. I have studied professionally to be a Spanish teacher, and in recent years I have helped more than 200 students around the world to get their Spanish learning goals with a certified and based science method. Of course, also doing fun activities. This is the best way to learn, to enjoy it, what you are doing, and of course, practicing a lot. And this is the secret of learning a new language. No matter your age, no matter if you have studied Spanish before or not, I'm not sure you can achieve the fluency as you desire. Learning Spanish is easier than you imagine. You just need a method that lets you to work on 3 principal steps. Are you ready? Paso 1. 4 language skills: listening, reading, writing, and of course, speaking. Paso 2. The grammar, as you know, is really important to understand Spanish in a deep way, but you have to learn it step by step. Paso 3. You have to learn just important phrases for you, and these phrases you have to learn it in relevant context. Así que no tendrás que preocuparte. Iremos paso a paso, a tu ritmo, en los horarios que más te convengan. Hay una sola cosa que sí te pido, y es que disfrutes el camino. Espero verte pronto en clase e iniciemos esta aventura.